we went to Bookman's, so I figured I should show you what I got. I mostly spent today, this trip, building up, getting a few of like the dolls that I wanted. Because sometimes, depending on where you look, they can be quite pricey and not always have free shipping and handling. So here's one. I got baby. I'm so happy. Spice it up. This one was $15. It's not too shabby. I am going to unbox them. I know, but some of these boxes are just so like, seems to be water damaged and other such. But I will keep the boxes, I think. And then I know she's in the dress, which isn't how I would have wanted a Mulan doll, but they had two Mulan dolls and both of them featured the dress. Includes a secret message. Aliens. Matchmaker Magic Mulan. You can magically transform her. Oh, it's the makeup and the hair and everything. Can you see? That's cool. I do want to get like Mulan in the uniform because it's inside out. I feel like it's inside out. Maybe not. Maybe it's just how it's made. Because I feel like that's more her. Like if you watch the movie, this isn't really her. And she has a whole song about it. That's not the end. Okay, this one, I lost my mind almost. I had her growing up. I'm just... Oh my god, no, who's that? I know her. She was one of my favorites growing up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, this box is like, it's got tape on it. It doesn't behoove me to keep them in their boxes. This makes me very happy. She looks so pretty. They didn't have an age adjustments, but that's okay. I didn't really go in thinking they would. I just kind of wanted to see what they would have. It's, by the way, I love how I'm talking about Bookman's as if you have any idea, and yet I'm aware of the fact that there's only 2 locations in Arizona. The plastic is like curling up. That's really cute. Oh, there's even a little squirrel guy. And a storybook. Oh! I was gonna say, because on the box it showed her in her Babs outfit, so I was like, where is it? It's on here. Little squirrel guy. I had to get some white because, while she's not my absolute favorite Disney princess, she's my girl. her, there's even the limited warranty. I was told that when I went to the Disney store sometime last spring, one of the cashiers told me I look like Snow White. So I'm like, thank you. They had a musical Belle doll from Beauty and the Beast, and she was in a wedding dress. And I just remember thinking, I don't even remember this doll, but it was clearly an older Belle. Made a big fuss for nothing. Is there a little cape? It goes back onto the top of your head. It's supposed to be. There you go. You've got shoes. And yet another hairbrush. Surprisingly, I didn't lose those quite as much as I lost the shoes. I mean, it's falling apart anyway. I love that I get to take a couple of these dolls off of my Amazon wish list. Oh, it comes with instructions. Twisty ties, man. They mean business. And they actually had like an over pen. I was really thinking I'll put like a drop, but it was like $30. So it's like, oh, they know what they've got there. Twisty ties for war. Oh no, where did the other one go? Oh, she didn't do the leg spread just yet, so that was. Look at her little cute. I thought it was a bun, but it's actually a little. Oh, the twisty ties tried and broke, and there's a twisty tie indent in her hair. I can fix that. It's been a while. Oh, it's for the Ken doll. It comes with a little attachment for around her waist, and you wind her up in the back, and when you put Ken's arms around her, she'll spin. But I don't have the Ken. I could get it though. Totally forgot about Skipper. I'm sorry. This one I'm not going to cut all the way across because some of her hair is still. She's got, I can't think of the name right now. Oh, I love her hair on the side like that. super cute. I like the braid. I'm going to keep the braid, but I think I want the hair to go down a little bit more, and it keeps sticking up. But her hair is really soft. She was very well taken care of. I wonder if it was supposed to be purple. Well, either way, I'm not bothered by it. I just loved her. And she was... So, why the heck not? Baby Spice. I'm not really sure what this stain is. I can just put my finger in it, but she's got two shoes, so she's got two outfits. You can buy little mannequins, which I think I'm going to do for some of these dolls that have like multiple outfits, so I can set the outfit beside the doll as well. She's got these guys in the back of her head. Yeah, I think she was kept in the box. I just think it got water damage. Can you put it run down? I know it's been up for years and years. She's got little capris. Her hair is hard as a rock. The bangs are kind of soft and fluffy. And poor thing, I can just tell that she definitely hasn't been played with. Can you see that she's got her fingernails painted? Little gold dress with the tiny spinach straps. Oh, there's this. Super cute. And finally, whoops. Oh, it's cardboard. I was really hoping that it would be like a little plastic. Lame. Oh my gosh, her hair is so soft. I don't know why she seems tall. Yeah, Barbie seems taller because her hair's up. So we have a bit of yarn, I'm guessing, to deal with her hair. All the little floral pin shoes. But I like this. You even got the jade beads. She's even got the one strand of hair. That's cute. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. That's how you do the hair thing. Can you even see? That's crazy. Alright, well, the rubber bands are like all but broken up, but her hair is so freaking soft. Like, if you have any makeup brushes or anything like that, or if you've ever felt a rabbit's fur, it's like, oh my gosh, so freaking soft. Alright, so she came with a bowl. Come back, thank you. This guy, this with no handle, the secret message. A couple things did fall, so I will double check. This string, which still perplexes me. I'm a happy Lizzie. I don't think I ever got that in Mulan doll either. I'm gonna go before this gets too much longer, but I just thought I would share my winnings. I will show you guys and it'll post a clip where they found their home and everything. I forgot about the secret message. Oh! Everything's so old and dry. You know what? Let's just do that. It says beauty shines from within. That's cute. And apparently her fashion can reverse. I really should read the back of the box, you know? This isn't gonna go back on. Probably not. Oh. Almost. Almost got it. Alright, we'll fix that later. Apparently, you can reverse your fashion. I guess there was a puff. A lot of things did fall out. I managed to find most of it. And using the puff, you're supposed to be able to, like, dip it in warm water and apply it to her face, and that's where the makeup goes on. And then will be to change her hairstyle. Pretty hair combs for you and Mulan. You know what? It is really adorable. I've always liked the Mulan comb, so sure. Change her back and do it over and over again. That's why it looks like the clothes were inside out. But yeah, I totally forgot about the note and I wanted to share that.